Hey, welcome to LambdaTest tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how you can use developer tools while performing real-time tests on mobile browsers. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is have a LambdaTest account. If you don't have one, just feel free to sign up with our freemium plan to experience the platform. Alright, so if you have a LambdaTest account, so let's log in. Once you log in, let's fire up a real-time browser on selected Android mobile. For debugging in Android devices, launch a device of your desired configuration. For instance, I'm selecting Google Pixel XL here. Great, the machine with the selected configuration will fire up. So here we have Google Pixel XL emulator with us. Now just click on the Developer Tools icon on the left-hand side toolbar. This will open up a Developer Tools at the bottom, and now you can debug your mobile web page just as if you are debugging your desktop web page in Chrome. Similarly, you can also debug your web pages in iOS browsers. Let me quickly switch to an iOS device here. Here I'm selecting iPhone X 11.3. Now just click on the Developer Tools icon on the left-hand side toolbar. You will see a developer tool window pop up. That's it, you're all set to go. Kickstart now to debug on mobile browsers using LambdaTest platform. In case you have any questions or you require any further information, you can chat with the team, or you can also drop us an email at support@lambdatest.com. We're here to help and we'd love to hear from you. Happy testing!